Good morning, guys. I just woke up at 4:30 and I have changed into my workout outfit and I'm ready to get my workout done. I cannot speak too loud right now because obviously my boy is still sleeping and yeah, I'll wake him up at 6. So I have to be as quiet as possible that he doesn't wake up till 6. All right, I'm going to do a quick 20 minutes strength workout with my dumbbells and then take a shower.
It's Manikeny.
Let's get ready for work. Never forget sunscreen. Quickly laying my edges to prep my hair for my headband wig. Glam time! New concealer technique. Quick headband wig install.
So now it's about 6:13. I have 2 more minutes to get dressed before I wake my baby up because it's his wake up time for us to be on time. But as you saw, I did my, makeup and hair, and now I'm just going to complete my dressing. So jeans, top, and all of that. But I'm not going to film that because I do not have time. Like I said, I have literally 1.5 minutes for myself, and the rest of the time is for him, and then we have to go. So let me go rush and I'll see you guys later. Okay, so we are both ready and it's time to go. Whenever I wake him up, that's the craziest part of the morning, where I have to rush, make sure he's clean, new diaper, well dressed, warmly dressed, and putting him in his car seat, in his stroller thingy. Yeah, but we did that, and this is what we do every morning. Yeah, as for working out, I work out maybe not every day anymore. Since I started work, it's a bit hard to keep up with every day, every day, every day. Some days I'm just super tired, but I try to do at least 3 times a week in the morning before I go to work, because I notice that when I come back from work, I do not have the motivation. Okay, and I usually do strength training in the morning, because while taking him to school, there's 10 minutes really quick walk that I do, that I count as my cardio for the day. So yeah, we have about 5 minutes, so let's go. So from now, we just get to school, I'll drop him off, then I'll go to work. Bless you, my baby. And then go to work. And yeah, after work, I'm actually supposed to meet up with a friend later on, but yeah, let's rush. Outfit of the day. So today, dress simple as always, but there's always a little. Yeah, so I have this. Let's start with the jewelry. This is from Shein. You've probably seen this before. This stud earring is from Ross. Actually, just anyone from Ross. I have, this is actually, now I remember where I got this from. This is actually a sample from a time I actually wanted to start a jewelry brand. And I got this as a sample. I really like it, but that plan is kind of, yeah. Anyway, so we have that. Then my watch, you've seen it before. This is Anne Klein. Then we have the little pullover top, crop top type of thing. This is from Ross, actually. So it's not any particular brand. We have the jeans from True Religion, and sneakers from Nike. Looking smart and ready to kick the day. Yep. And that's it. So just got back home from work, picked up my boy from school, and now it's time to make him some quick lunch, or warm him some quick lunch. But yeah, wait, I'm about to cook something real quick for him. And then it's going to be nappy time. There's really nothing special I do in this time apart from get his food ready and make sure that he takes a quick nap pretty soon, in like an hour or two. Bless you. I hope you're not getting a cold again, my baby. I hope so. Anyway, so let me go do that. Work was okay today. A little bit fast paced, up and down, a lot to do. So at least that made the time go faster. I don't know if you feel the same, but I noticed that whenever I have a lot to do, the day flies by. Like time is just really like flying. But yeah, let me go get this boy's food ready before he jumps on me, okay?
Some hours later.
Say, tiredness is real, okay? So I was like, I made my baby sleep off for his nap, and then I was like, okay, let me check something online, because there's some things I have to buy for Christmas and before December or whatever. And then I start going, tell me why I start going through the website and I start sleeping. And I just find myself waking up and it's 1.5 hours past the time I start looking at the website. And I'm like, you cannot cheat nature. When you're tired, you're tired. Like, wow. And now I have about 5 minutes to meet up with my friend, or a friend of mine is picking me up from home, and then we're going now to go have like a little dinner, which is actually for my birthday, which was last week. So since we're not able to do it last week, we're doing it this week, and we're also celebrating something else for her. And yeah, so I have about 5 minutes to get myself ready, to get my baby ready, and for us to go. which yeah. Anyways, I got myself ready already. I had a different idea for like an outfit in mind, but I do not have the time. So I'll just style the same pullover a different way. I'll try to show you guys my full outfit soon. But yeah, let me get this boy ready. Let's get on the road.
This is our evening food. All you can eat. Or let's say Asian. Baby boy, you want to look in the camera? No, no, we are not putting you here. And this is Clemmy, also taking her wine. Yes. Wine is here.
So, back home from the restaurant, the food was okay. If I had to rate it on 10, I'll give it like a 5.5 or 6 on 10. Price wise was good though. It's not that bad, but the food was all right. It was all right. All you can eat Chinese food. I mean, what do you expect? Yeah, are you doing sports? Yeah, so yeah, back home. I'm going to show you guys my outfit. It's the same top as today morning, but I paired it with something else. So let me just show you guys that real quick. And that will pretty much be that for today, because after that I will just obviously take off my makeup, relax. It's weekend, it's Friday, so relax, watch TV, you know, just chill. All right, so this is the outfit I wore for our little girl's date. So we have the same pullover or top as today, because like I told you guys, I don't have any time. I woke up 10 minutes to our date time. So yeah, so the top, I just paired it now with this cute pleated skirt. And then with these tights I got from Shein. The skirt I got from Shein too. And then the boots is my Tommy Hilfiger I showed you guys some days ago. Or if you watch my TikTok talking about that, go follow me on TikTok at _Manikeny. Okay, let's connect on TikTok. I post more there. So yeah, so Tommy Hilfiger boots with the leggings from Shein. It doesn't really look like skin like I thought. It's giving me white people's skin, but it's okay. And then the skirt is from Shein. This is from Ross. And yeah, my hair is from Clemilux Hair. Makeup, Clemilux Makeup Cosmetics. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much my look for today. I'm back home now, so it's time to take off all of this and chill. Okay? Yeah. All right. So right now it's like almost 10 p.m. It's past my bedtime. Okay. But yeah, since I was hanging out with my friend, it took a long time with this gisting, talking, just having fun basically. And it's not been too long that she left to drive back home. So yeah, now it's time to just, take off my makeup, get ready for bed, get my baby ready for bed, because he too has been awake, refused to sleep because there's someone around. He has to be part of the conversation. So yeah. So now it's time to go to bed. So I'm just going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. Yeah. Yeah, so it was basically a basic day. Work. Normally the only difference is I had to hang out with my friend. Basically now I'm just going to take off my makeup and go to bed. That's pretty much it. And yeah, so after my baby sleeps, either I'll sleep or like other moms, I will stay on my phone scrolling through TikTok or watching a series or something. But yeah, well, thank you guys for watching and enjoying the day with me. It was a good day. We thank God. And I wish you guys a nice day whenever you're watching this, whether it's in the morning or the evening. Have a good day. Enjoy that day. Yeah, I'm coming. Somebody is ready to go to bed. Yeah, so I'm just going to tell you guys good night here. Have a good day. Whatever time of the day you're watching this, I wish you guys the best day. And yeah, I'm going to go to bed now. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm coming. What are you doing? Can you believe that he's not even crying? He's playing with the toy. And because it cannot enter the cup is too small for the whole loose powder container to enter in it. Yeah, it cannot work. Yeah, thank you. He's trying to put this in a cup. He cannot put that in. Oh. Okay, guys. Well, my next video. Somebody's throwing things around. It's going to be somewhere here on the screen. Watch that. subscribe to this channel, okay? Subscribe to the channel. Watch my next video somewhere here on the screen. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for joining the family and subscribing. Love you all. Bye.